Of Public Health is looking into a suspected case of hepatitis A in a worker at a Tasty Burger in Boston. But health officials are calling this an isolated incident.
The North Station restaurant, in fact, is still open right now. WBZ's Beth Germano is live tonight at North Station with more on this story. Beth?
Well, the report of the suspected case of the highly contagious liver disease did send health inspectors into the restaurant yesterday. But today they say there is minimal risk to the public or to employees. Still, some customers were taking their own precautions. Concern yesterday at the Tasty Burger in North Station that sent Boston Inspectional Services into the restaurant to conduct an investigation. And customers today had no idea there is a suspected case of hepatitis A.
That is contagious, and I'm certainly not a medical professional, but I don't know much about it, but it doesn't sound good.
It's just the fact that someone was sick with Hep A there, makes me uncomfortable.
It was a general manager who felt ill, and a doctor's visit determined the diagnosis. Inspectional Services followed protocol.
It's the food, it's the temperature, it's the processes, it's the handling. The state sanitary code is very specific on what a health inspection should be.
But ended with a clean bill of health for the restaurant.
At this point, we don't feel there's any major issues here and that there's a very, very low risk of any issues. But Public Health is continuing to work with the staff.
There have been no reports of illness in the last 24 hours, but some still say they would avoid the restaurant today.
Just the risk, the health, just the uncertainty of not knowing. I don't know enough about it. When you hear something like that, you just want to play it safe, I guess.
Tasty Burger called it an isolated incident and said in a statement, "We are currently following the recommendations of the Boston Public Health Commission in an event like this. Per their advice, we are taking the proper precautions and steps." But Jerry Nadeau decided not to take his ordered shake.
No, shake will be going in the trash.
Now, Tasty Burger has 3 restaurants in Boston and 1 in Cambridge, and says the general manager did not work at any other location. City health inspectors have told the company to continue monitoring for any signs of illness. Reporting live from North Station, I'm Beth Germano, WBZ News.